So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a square base pyramid with that image which shows the skills of how to use it. Create a sketch of it in 1950. Control the top line and the side line, those can equal to each other, so we always have a square. Black square.
I'll just do it normally, and then you watch it. You're going to put the keyboard
on plane one, I'm going to create a new sketch. And that new sketch is going to be set at just at the
press view more on.
Directly with the origin. From that, here is I'm going to 3D view and point directly over the square. I have two sketches here. I'm going to rename this by waiting a second and clicking on that second time. We'll call this save square. Call this what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to tools up here and look for Loft to bar for this. The profiles that I'm going to choose from the inventory rather than picking points on it, which is this square and Loft to cut giving me square base pyramid. Now what I could do is I could change that shape to a circle, cone, I could change that shape to an octagon, octagonal base pyramid. That's my